Ma caught one. Good morning, everybody. It's Mom and Pa. Mom and Pa's Adventures here. We are starting the morning off with this. What do you think, Pa?
Yep, that's a keeper.
Woohoo!
No, put the second fish of the day in the boat.
Yeah.
It has to rain down.
Did he go to the bottom? Of course he did.
He went all the way to the bottom.
We're going to throw him back in, though. He's too little. He's too little. I got me a little one. Check it out, Pa.
He's a monster.
Number 3 for me. Not a keeper, though. Look what Ma got.
Got you a big black bass out here.
I didn't even know he was on here. We was moving. Woohoo! Bass tournament going on today, right, Pa?
Yep, you're probably in first place right now.
What you got, Pa?
Don't know yet.
Sand bass?
I don't think so.
Catfish? Hoping it's a big crappie.
Yeah, thinking around something. I can feel him.
Yep. Wait a minute. Let's see here. Are we still recording?
We may get him out. Very unlikely because he was about 20. Right up. Figure it's a trout line. You know what?
Because you feel it giving?
Yep.
Look at this, guys. He finally got him. He got him one.
First fish of the day.
He's wrapped around something, wasn't he?
Yes. Oh, that's a good one, Ma. I'm here in the back, completely tangled up after getting hung in that tree.
Oh, guys, I just missed a good one. Dang it. I got him to the surface and he come off. Keeper, keeper.
My first keeper of the day.
I got one too, but it ain't no keeper. Well, he ain't bad. Oh, we got a double. Get in this boat. I'm hung on my chair. Right.
That's the way to do it. Oh, head 2. The bigger of the 2, which is not saying much, came off. If y'all have noticed, we have moved locations on the lake. Completely gone from one end of the lake to the other. We're back at Arrowhead. Here's another small one. Just another small one. Should be another brush pole right here, but I'm not finding it.
We had to go find some minnows.
Yep.
Yeah.
Hey, Ma.
Got a keeper?
I think I got a keeper finally.
Got a keeper?
Oh, watch
Watch
out. He's
out.
going to slap you.
Right.
Purely by accident.
You said you'd give me back.
I did.
Yeah. He finally put it in his mouth. Get in this boat. Get in this boat. Hey, Pa, look what I got.
About what I'm fixing to get. Look at it.
We're going to have a double. Get him in here. We got a double.
Yours would eat mine, though, but we'll keep yours and put mine back. Good catch, Ma. Good catch.
Thank you.
Ma has got one after hers.
Oh, can you believe that?
He came all the way up.
Oh, he's still right there.
He's still after you. I'm going to try to get the one below you. There he is. Get down there, get down there, get down there.
Dang it.
Oh, yanked a big one out of there, didn't I? Yanked the big one. Ma's fixing to yank one, though. Whoop.
Get in this boat. That's my favorite thing. That's my favorite thing. Get in this boat. Quit twisting my line up. I should have waited.
Oh.
Good job. Look here.
Come back here, fish.
Yours bigger than mine.
Yeah. I mean, we caught off this one little pile.
No, but the minnows working. Go. Get in here. He's too little. He's too little. Quit tangling up. He's a little bit bigger. Get in here. Get in this boat.
Ma got a good one.
Yep. Sweet. Get in this boat. Good job.
Oh, goodness.
What you got?
Look what I caught on a little pink and black jig. A keeper.
Get in here. Get in this boat, big boy. Big girl.
Mine's dead.
Woo-hoo. New location. Good job.
A little too small. A little too small. Hope that boat headed straight toward us sees us.
This is a little bit bigger.
That's bigger than mine, isn't he?
Is it still
Ooh.
bigger?
He's a black crappie.
Woohoo! Get in here.
That's a good one.
I dropped it down on the bottom. Got that one.
We don't catch many black ones here in the muddy water.
That might be the one that parked at Arrowhead.
I thought you sitting awful still.
You want us to pull you?
Where y'all at? Okay.
That's
You
where
got a
we're at.
rope? You have a rope?
We're gonna tie it to ski rope
Something
thing.
on the back. Yep. We'll come around. We'll come around.
We're coming around. Kids, they need to get. Oh, those kids are red. Oh my goodness. You tell me what to do and you grab the rope or what?
Yeah. Well, you grab the rope and just tie it.
I don't know how to tie it good.
Tie it to that right there.
Neutral. Y'all hot?
About to get that way.
Yes. Been doing any good?
Hey, Daryl, turn.
I heard something go pop. Nope, nope, nope. Nothing recorded here. Nothing.
Hey, everybody, we are just finishing up here fishing on Lake Eufaula. We're back here behind Arrowhead, and we've had a good day.
Really good day. Got a storm coming. We can hear it thundering, seen some lightning.
It's time to get off the water.
Time to head home. So
we just finished up this. We've got a live well full of crappie, one sand bass, and Ma just put
golden eye.
a golden eye,
It's a herring.
and
And-
that sucker's got teeth. We
Lots
zoomed
of
in,
teeth.
so you could see a picture, and of course I was trying to be careful and use some pliers to get him off the hook. Didn't want to get hurt, and we've had a good day. It was fun. It's been a week since I've got to go fishing, and so we got to beat the storm in.
So ask everybody to like and subscribe to our page and keep up with us on Facebook.
We're on Facebook and YouTube, Mom and Pa's Adventures.
And we got a new group of kids.
Yeah,
got
also,
the kids.
yeah, that's right. We need to, the grandson, the middle grandson, Heston, he's got his own page now, and we're trying to help him build that. It's Oklahoma Kids Outdoors. He loves this kind of stuff, anything outdoors, fishing, hunting, catching crawdads, whatever. He likes it, and we're going to try to help him. So find him on YouTube.
Like his
Kids,
page.
Yeah,
Subscribe.
Oklahoma Kids Outdoors. And so we'll Mom and Pa's Adventures, Wild Bill, Fishing Adventures. There's a
Wild
lot
Bills.
of our guides around here, so we're hoping everybody will pick up on that and help that kid out. So appreciate you guys. We'll see you next time.
Goodbye, guys.